You can achieve financial freedom and live the life you've always dreamed of if you learn how to earn passive income. So in today's video, we're going to talk about the 5 proven methods to earn passive income online in 2024. By the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap to start making money while you sleep. So if you're ready to boost your income with minimal ongoing effort, keep watching. First up on our list is starting a YouTube channel. YouTube is one of the best ways to start building one or multiple passive income streams. Here's how you can get started. First, decide a niche that you're passionate about and that has a potential audience. Having a niche on YouTube is crucial because it helps you target a specific audience and build a loyal community. By focusing on a particular topic or interest, you can create content that resonates deeply with your viewers, making it more likely that they will subscribe, engage with your videos, and share them with others. This focused approach not only improves your channel's growth potential, but also attracts advertisers who are willing to pay a premium to reach your specialized audience, ultimately boosting your revenue. Additionally, having a niche can give you an advantage with the YouTube algorithm. The algorithm tends to favor channels that consistently produce content around a specific theme, as it better understands what your channel is about and who to recommend your videos to, leading to increased visibility and more organic growth. After deciding your niche, start a YouTube channel. You can easily start a YouTube channel with your Google account after you sign into YouTube. After creating your channel, customize your channel with a profile picture, banner, and description, and you're ready to go. Invest in basic equipment like a camera and a high-quality microphone. Alternatively, you can start a faceless YouTube channel if you don't want to be in front of the camera. Start creating your videos for your niche and be consistent. Consistency is key, so plan your content schedule and stick to it. Create and upload high-quality, engaging videos. Optimize your videos with relevant titles, descriptions, and tags for better SEO. Finally, promote your channel on social media and engage with your audience to build a community. Once you've got your channel set up, it's time to think about monetization. YouTube offers several ways to make money, through ads, sponsorships, and channel memberships. Let's break these down, starting with ads. To start earning from ads, you need to join the YouTube Partner Program. This requires at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you're in the program, you can enable ads on your videos, which is where AdSense comes in. AdSense is Google's advertising platform that serves ads on your videos. The amount you earn from these ads depends on 2 key metrics: CPM and RPM. CPM stands for cost per mil, which is the amount advertisers pay per 1,000 views. RPM stands for revenue per mil, which is the amount you earn per 1,000 views after YouTube takes its cut. The higher your CPM and RPM, the more money you make. To maximize your earnings, focus on creating content that attracts high CPM ads, which are typically from niches like finance, technology, and online business. Next, let's talk about sponsorships. These are deals with brands that pay you to promote their products in your videos. Sponsorships can be incredibly lucrative, especially if you have a strong, engaged audience. When approaching brands, highlight your engagement metrics and how their product aligns with your content. Another great way to monetize your YouTube channel is through channel memberships. This feature allows your viewers to pay a monthly fee in exchange for exclusive perks like custom badges, emojis, and members-only videos. It's a fantastic way to build a community and generate a steady income stream. If you want to learn more about content creation and growing a successful YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Next on our list is affiliate marketing. This is where you earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. It's a great way to generate passive income, especially if you are already on social media. You don't even need a large built-in audience to start promoting products. The key is to create content about products for the right audience. Social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok are incredibly powerful for affiliate marketing. By producing engaging content and leveraging these platforms, you can reach potential buyers effectively. Moreover, many companies offer recurring commissions. This means that you earn a commission not just for the initial sale, but also for every subsequent purchase the customer makes. This can significantly boost your passive income over time. Some of the best platforms for affiliate marketing include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank. These platforms offer a wide range of products and services you can promote. To succeed in affiliate marketing, choose products that align with your niche and that you genuinely believe in. Create valuable content that highlights the benefits of these products and include your affiliate links. Remember, trust is key, so always be honest with your audience about your affiliate relationships. So affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to earn passive income. By creating content that resonates with your audience and strategically promoting products you believe in, you can build a steady revenue stream with minimal ongoing effort. Moving on to our third idea, selling digital products. This includes items like ebooks, online courses, printables, software, and many others. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once and sell them over and over again, which is a great way to make money in a passive way. Start by identifying a topic you're knowledgeable about or a problem you can solve. Then, create your product using tools like Canva for ebooks and Teachable for online courses. When it comes to selling your digital products, platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Udemy are great options. These sites make it easy to list and sell your products to a global audience. To market your digital products, use social media, email marketing, and even your blog or YouTube channel. The fourth passive income idea is investing in dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that pay you a portion of their earnings on a regular basis. It's a great way to earn passive income with relatively low effort. To get started, open a brokerage account with a platform like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Vanguard. Research and choose companies with a strong track record of paying dividends. Investing in dividend stocks comes with its own set of benefits and risks. The main benefit is the regular income you receive. But keep in mind that stock prices can fluctuate, and there's always a risk of losing your investment. Diversifying your portfolio can help mitigate some of these risks. This video is for informational purposes only, and if you need professional advice, I strongly recommend you to consult a financial advisor. Last but not least, let's talk about blogging with the help of AI. Artificial intelligence can significantly streamline the content creation process, making it easier to run a blog and generate income from it. AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and Surfer SEO can help you generate articles, optimize them for search engines, and even suggest topics based on trending keywords. This means less time spent writing and more time focusing on other aspects of your blog. If you don't want to start your own blog, one platform you might consider for blogging is Medium.com. Medium allows writers to publish articles on various topics and reach a broad audience. By joining the Medium Partner Program, you can earn money based on how much time Medium members spend reading your articles. However, keep in mind that the Partner Program is not available in every country. Monetizing a blog can be done through ads, affiliate links, and sponsored posts. Platforms like Google AdSense make it easy to display ads on your site, while affiliate marketing and sponsored posts can provide additional revenue streams. The benefits of using AI for blogging include increased efficiency and the ability to scale your content quickly. Here's a quick recap. Starting a YouTube channel, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, investing in dividend stocks, and blogging with the help of AI. Which of these ideas are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.